Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to identify the button color in Selenium. Let's get started. Now let's write the script. Go to your package, right click from the package and select new class. Here give any name for the class. I am giving the name as button color. And then select this checkbox and click on the finish button. Now we can write the script. So here this is the web page and we are going to identify the color of this button. So first we need to open the browser. For that we need to write the script WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Now open the web page and before that import the WebDriver and the Firefox driver. Now open the web page driver.get, copy this URL and paste here. Now we need to identify the element. So right click on this button and go to inspect. So this is the element. We have ID and name. So we can identify the element using this ID. Copy this element, copy this value and write web element. Here we can give the name as button color equal to driver dot find element by ID. Here we need to copy the value which we copied by inspecting the element. Now we identify the element and here also we need to import the web element. Now we need to identify, to get the color we need to use the CSS value. So here the color is stored in the background class. So for that declare one variable color equal to, call this variable button color dot get CSS value. We have a function called get CSS value and here we need to give the property. So here the color is stored in the background property. So copy this property and paste here. Now we will get the color and we need to store this value in the string. So this get CSS value will return a string value. Now declare this color variable as string. Now we can print this value. SYSO control space and print this variable. Now run the script. We got the color in RGB value. So we need to convert this RGB value to a hex value. So we can rename this variable as RGB to avoid confusion. RGB. So to convert this RGB value to a hex value, we have a class called color. Color dot from string. So from this RGB value to hex value. So here we have a function as hex. So again, so this will return a value, but we need to store this value in a variable. So mouse over to this function and we can see which variable we need to store. It's a string variable. So declare this variable as string. hex color. Now print this value to check the output. Again system.out.println or syso and press control space. Copy this variable and paste here. Now run the script again. So we have got RGB value as well as the hex value. So hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.